Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon below to get notifications.
Let us understand who is Microsoft Azure Administrator, his responsibilities, subject matter expertise and other details. This section deals with the following topics. 1. Who is Microsoft Azure Administrator? 2. Where is his subject matter expertise on? 3. Explain his roles and responsibilities. 4. Evaluate his hands-on experience. 5. Present his understanding of Azure core services. And finally 6. His comfort levels with Azure tools and utilities. Microsoft Azure Administrator serves as part of larger team to implement organization's cloud infrastructure and carry experience administering Azure, along with a strong understanding of core Azure services, Azure workloads, security and governance, and well-versed with Azure tools and utilities. Azure Administrator will have subject matter expertise implementing, managing, and monitoring an organization's Microsoft Azure environment. Responsibilities for an Azure administrator include implementing, managing, and monitoring identity, governance, storage, compute, and virtual networks in a cloud environment, plus provision, size, monitor, and adjust resources, when needed. While Azure Administrator carries 6 months experience at least to have a clear understanding of Azure core services, Azure workloads, security, and governance, he should be comfortable using PowerShell, Azure CLI, Azure Portal, and Azure Resource Manager templates.
Please visit our pages for more information.